Good evening, Fox Chapel area family. I hope that you are well and that you've had a wonderful week thus far. I have a few things I would like to highlight for you this evening. The Fox Chapel area high school musical, Songs for a New World, will be performed virtually at the end of this week and over the weekend. Show times for the musical are 7 p.m. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday evenings, as well as 2 p.m. on Sunday. Composed by acclaimed musical theater composer and lyricist Jason Robert Brown, Songs for a New World is a collection of scene songs that takes the audience on a musical journey through the sharing of individual stories. While there is no overarching plot and no main character, each scene song tells the story of an individual or group of people coping with essentially the same thing. The moments in life that seem perfect when, in a flash, everything changes. Maybe for the better, maybe for the worst. I'm sure everyone can relate, especially after this year. It is a phenomenal show with an even better message about resilience, and I really enjoyed spending time with our students while they previewed the show last night. More than 50 Fox Chapel area high school students are involved in this year's musical in all aspects of the show, and I hope that you will support our students and watch the musical. Speaking of our music department, I am pleased to announce that for the 10th consecutive year, Fox Chapel area has been named one of the best communities for music education by the National Association of Music Merchants. Fox Chapel area is one of 109 communities in the state of Pennsylvania chosen for this honor, which recognizes outstanding commitment to music education. This program recognizes outstanding efforts by teachers, administrators, parents, students, and community leaders who have made music education part of a well-rounded education and who help ensure access to music for all students. Designations are made to districts and schools with innovative and resourceful music education programs in the United States and the communities that support them. Congratulations. Finally, I'd like to encourage our parents and guardians, students, and entire school community to see the art installation that is wrapping up at O'Hara Elementary. 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders have been yarn bombing the outside of the school. Yarn bombing is the action of covering objects in a public area with brightly colored fiber materials such as yarn. The goal of the project, according to O'Hara art teacher Jennifer Reynolds, is to add an element of surprise and wonder on the school grounds and to cause the public to stop and engage with the art. This project is a great complement to the beautiful spring colors that are currently gracing O'Hara and our other campuses. Until next week, Fox Chapel area, please be well and be safe. Take care.